So as promised, here's a quick overview of 1.3 conditional coding, who's the fastest. So I went into Classroom and I already opened up who's the fastest instructions, while block, how to, and I've gone into make code and logged in already. So you might want to pause this video or slow the play down because you're not going to be able to keep up with it. I just want to go over this so you have access to the answers because this one's kind of tricky. So first thing I do is look at the instructions and I grab all my code blocks. Now I can go through each of these items in the library and find them, or I can use the search bar and find them that way as well. One thing you need to know is when you do go into variables, you're going to have to make two variables, player A and player B, so you see these other blocks show up. So in the instructions, step 1, it says, on start, make the following things happen. No image, player A, player B, set to 0. Following those instructions, there's my on start block. I want no LED showing, so it's a blank screen, and I'm going to set player A to 0 and set player B to 0. So the start is set up. The rest of it is in the forever block. And while something is happening forever, some things are supposed to happen. So while true. By the way, this next part is already nested, and what I will tell you is I went through the instructions on the slides that says how to make the while loop. I grabbed these blocks, changed that to true, changed this to A and B, grabbed the and the nots, and I nested them. I took the and I put a not in there and a button A and a button B and nested it like this. So it's already built. Okay, so here, while no A nor B are pressed. So nobody's pressing a button yet. What do I want to have happen? Well, I need a clear screen, so nothing's on it. Then it says I need to pause for a random number time. So I pick the random number button and I have to nest it in the pause. It's going to pick a random time between 0 and 4 seconds, listed as milliseconds. Okay. And then all of a sudden I want you to show a picture. Well, I grabbed the show icon and I changed it to the little person, famous Da Vinci drawing person. Okay. Now, if somebody presses the A button, so I need an if loop, throw it in here. If somebody presses the A button when that little picture pops up, if button A is pressed, then what do we want to have happen? Well, it says we want the left arrow to show up because A arrow is on the left, and we want to see the score go up by 1. Now, it doesn't matter which of these you do first. You can have the score go up and then show the arrow, either way. But then we want it to report the score. So then we want to show block, and we want to show player A's score. Now, what if then player B pushes first? So if the button B is pressed, then what do we want to have happen? Well, we want the right arrow to show. We want the score to be changed by 1. Okay. And then we want to change it by 1. And then we want to show. Where'd my show go? Change player. Oh, we want to change player B by 1. And I want to show. So I'm going to grab Control C, Control V, make that copy real quick, and then switch that out for player B. There we go. Show the number for player B. Okay. So there we go. I think I ended up I don't need all these extra blocks. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can get a better look there. These blocks I don't need. I already used them. Goodbye. Goodbye. And goodbye. Oh, there you go. Oh, no, I don't want the whole thing. Just get rid of that one. Knock it off. Delete. Oh, it does not want to play nice. Well, imagine that that's not there anymore. So there you go. I'll hold still right there so you can freeze the screen and take a look. There are different ways to do it. You actually don't have to have the if loops nested in here. From what I understand, you can just run them separately on the side. But otherwise, that should do it.